We released this strategy last week, Emini S&P after hours. It had a nice trade last night, plus 1575. This strategy has swelled back to 1997. What's interesting is it accelerates from the end of February. In a bear market environment, a long-only strategy accelerates its equity curve. So let's take a look at the results. This is with slippage and commission. So before slippage and commission, this is over $50 average trade profit. And that's what we want in a strategy. In the short term, it's higher. Let's look at the annual results. So for 2020, you have over $500 per trade on this. And so in 2019, you have over $50 per trade with slippage and commission. Only $27 average trade profit with slippage and commission in 2017, 2018. So nice equity curves, nice results. Let's go and take a look at the other strategies on the day. That is Emini S&P after hours. All strategy access 1 workspace, gap fill master. Nice trade today. This is in our book members area, 7 trading systems for the S&P futures, plus 175. We have NightTrader Emini S&P plus 675. It had 10 winners in a row, a loss yesterday, and then it's back on its winning path today with a winner. We'll see how that streak, the next winning streak goes. Adaptive moving average, it's been in a losing streak. Let's take a look at adaptive moving average. It had minus 1875 today. You see here, going back the last 7 months, 26,000 with a $13,000 drawdowns in the portfolio. One of our best strategies. A lot of that profit came March the 18th through March the 26th, and you see about $30,000 of profit in 8 days. And if you trade systems enough to know, you'll know that most of the winners are in a very short period of time. And so that's why we have a diverse set of portfolio strategies. This one lasted an equity peak on March the 30th. So all month it's been kind of sideways to down, and it's at about a $6,000 drawdown. Good place to start a strategy. Portfolios are also in a drawdown, about halfway to a worst case drawdown. So great place to start if you're looking to phase into a portfolio. If you want to start during a drawdown, if you've been waiting for one, it's there. Gap continuation 2020 minus 325 on the trade. This one is the one that we really like. We have the tendency to capture some really big winners with a tight stop loss, a $300 stop loss, and the opportunity to catch these mega winners. This one was $14.75, and some others. This strategy has the potential on big ranging days to capture. We've seen it capture up about $5,000 on some of the biggest winners, and so we really like this strategy. It's also this one and Gap Fill Master are in the members area for 7 trading systems for the S&P futures. All strategy access to tick pulsing QV12 not in the portfolio. These two are not in the portfolio. They're still on the workspace. SR CounterTrend II E-mini Nasdaq plus 775. Nice dip buying, and it's one of those deals where we needed a bigger profit target once again with this volatility. Catch a bigger move. The market overall really felt bearish today. I was surprised to see it move higher with all the fiscal and monetary stimulus. I guess the market is destined to move higher, even though it seems like it ought to cool off a little bit. It's had this massive run. It ought to pull back a little bit here, but it ran up today, and it felt like, with the selling at the opening, the selling right here, that this thing would roll over, maybe even fill this gap, but it did not do that. And so they held it up today. They propped it up, and tick CounterTrend NQ minus 625. Those were the only portfolio trades today in this workspace. Were SR CounterTrend II E-mini Nasdaq and tick CounterTrend II E-mini Nasdaq. All strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4 minus 625. Gold Flash had a tough day yesterday. Nice day today, plus 1350 on Gold Flash. Soybean Swing closed the day plus 50 on an open position short. And all strategy access 4, Cobra Gold up 575. And all strategy access 5, no trades on the day. Those are the trades for April the 16th, 2020. And so the portfolios are in a little bit of a drawdown here. So it's a good place to start. Some of these strategies have gone through losing streaks. So if you look for a play, if you want to start on a losing streak, those could be the places to start.